morning students. Welcome back to your SSC class. Let's continue chapter number 12, Northern Mountains, the Himalayas. Today we will discuss about the life of people in the Himalayan region. Let's know about the states that lie in the Himalayan region. Number 1, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost state of India with Srinagar as its summer capital and Jammu as its winter capital. The valley of Kashmir is very beautiful and the Dal Lake is a beautiful lake in the Kashmir Valley. It is the most famous for its houseboats called shikaras. There are the floating markets on these houseboats where people sell flowers, fruits and vegetables. Farming, weaving and wood carving are the main occupation of the people in this region. Saffron, cherries, almonds and walnuts are the mainly grown in the state. The wool of sheep and goat is used for making shawls and woolens. The people wear long gowns called firan and they carry earthen pot filled with burning coal called kangri to keep themselves warm during the winter season. Kawa or noon chai they also drink to keep themselves warm during the winter months. Their main food dishes are rice, rajma, fish and meat. People usually speak Urdu, Dogri and Ladakhi language. Mata Vaishno Devi and the Amarnath cave are two important pilgrimage sites in the state. Gulmarg and Pahalgam are beautiful tourist spots. Snow skiing is famous in Gulmarg, especially on the slopes of Mount Apharvat. And because of its vast natural beauty, the state, Srinagar or the Kashmir is called the paradise on earth. Next is the Himachal Pradesh. It is a state in northern India with Shimla as its capital. This state is covered with vast natural beauty. Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu Manali lie in Himachal Pradesh. This state is also known as the state of apples. Farming is the main occupation of the people and the people of Himachal Pradesh very simple. They speak Hindi or Pahari language. They wear kurta pajama and long woolen coats. Dussehra is the most important festival of the Himachal region, especially in the Kullu and Kangra valley. Next is Uttarakhand. The state of Uttarakhand was formed in the year 2000. It was carved out of Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Dehradun. The state is divided into two regions, Kumaon and Garhwal. Mussoorie, the famous hill station, lies in Garhwal, while Nainital lies in Kumaon. Gangotri and Yamunotri are two glaciers that give rise to Ganga and Yamuna rivers, can also be seen here. In Uttarakhand, the Kedarnath and Badrinath are the two pilgrimage sites lie. And the farming and cattle rearing is the main occupation of the people of the Uttarakhand. People grow rice, maize and vegetables. They rear sheep, goat, mules, etc. The Indian Military Academy, an important training academy of the Indian Armed Forces, is located in Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital of the Uttarakhand and this state was formed in the year 2000. Mussoorie and Nainital lies in this state. The Indian Military Academy is also here, located in Dehradun. It is an important training academy of the Indian Armed Forces. Next is the Sikkim. This state in northeast is spread below Mount Kanchenjunga. Its capital is Gangtok. Teesta is the largest river in the state and most of the people in Sikkim follow Buddhism religion. There are two tribes, that is Lepcha and Bhutia. Rice is the staple diet of this region. Banana, pancakes, chicken, fried rice, and momos are the favorite dishes of the people in Sikkim. The language is Nepali, which is their state language. There are many Buddhist monasteries in the state. The most famous of them is the Ramtek Monastery. The Lepcha men wear a dress called pagi made of stripped cotton, while women wear a two-piece dress. The Bhutia men wear a loose cloak type garment called bhakhu, and women wear silken honju. The Sikkim is the state in the northeast of India, and its capital is Gangtok. It is bordered by Tibet in the north, Nepal on the west, Bhutan on the east, and West Bengal to the south. The Sikkim state has the least population. Tista is the largest river. And here are the two tribes, दो जातियाँ यहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं, that is Lepcha and Bhutia. And the Lepcha men wear a dress called pagi. जो ड्रेस लेप्चा मैन के द्वारा डाली जाती है that is called pagi, and the women wear two pieces dress, and the Bhutia men wear a loose cloak type garment called bakhu, and women wear silken honju. Next is the northeastern states. The northeastern states of India are called the Seven Sisters, and these include the state of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. These are called the Seven Sisters. Now, number one is Arunachal Pradesh. It is a large northeastern state and its capital is Itanagar. It is the first state in India to see the sunrise. यहाँ पर सबसे पहले sunrise होता है. This state receives heavy rainfall and the people speak local languages. Most of the people are engaged in farming. They grow rice, maize, millet, tobacco, and other oilseeds. Next is Assam. It is another state in the northeastern region. Its capital is Dispur. And Assam is most famous for its tea and Assam silk. People generally speak Assamese language. Bihu is the main festival of the state. The northeastern state is well connected to other states and can be easily reached. So Assam is the another northeastern state. Its capital is Dispur. It is famous for its tea and Assam silk, and Bihu is the main festival of this state. Next is the Meghalaya. This northeastern state is located in the Khasi, Jantia and Garo hills. Shillong is the capital of this beautiful hill station. Its name means the abode of clouds. Meghalaya is called the abode of clouds. The Khasi and Garo are the main tribes of this state. So the Meghalaya is the northeastern state located at the Khasi, Jantia and Garo hills. Shillong is its capital, and Khasi and Garo are the main tribes of the state. The two types of people living here, that is Khasi and Garo. Next is the Nagaland. It's a mountainous state in northeast India. Its capital is Kohima. The main tribe of the state are Nagas who speak the Naga language. Here the Naga जाति के लोग यहाँ पर रहते हैं जो कि Naga language बोलते हैं. Next is the Mizoram. It is the one of the state of northeast India with Azawal its capital. Shifting cultivation is followed by the people to grow crops. Here the people also make cane, bamboo and wood articles at home. Most of the population is tribal that speaks English and Mizo. Bamboo dance of Mizoram is very popular. Here Mizoram is also the other state of northeast India, and shifting people here start shifting cultivation to grow crops. And people also make cane, bamboo and wood articles at home, and they speak English language and Mizo language. And the famous dance is the bamboo dance. Next is the Manipur. To the south of Nagaland is the state of Manipur, and the occupation of the people is farming, and they follow their own customs and traditions. The Manipuri dance is the most famous dance of the state. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Manipur lie in the south of Nagaland, and the occupation is farming, and they have their own traditions and customs, and their dance is Manipuri dance. Next is Tripura. The northeastern state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. The state's capital is Agartala. Many tribal people live in the state who speaks the Kokborek language. यहाँ पे बहुत जातियों के लोग रहते हैं जो जिनकी लैंग्वेज है कोकबोरेक. अदर पीपल मोस्टली स्पीक बंगाली. कुछ लोग यहाँ पे बंगाली भी बोलते हैं. द स्टेट मेनली प्रोड्यूसेस राइस एंड जूट थ्रू फार्मिंग. यहाँ के लोग जो हैं वो राइस और जूट की फसलों को उगाते हैं. This northeastern state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. So, its capital is Agartala and many tribal people live in the state. So, students, this is all about the life of the people in the Himalaya region. Read this chapter properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.